how to see how many hours you've been on your phone. So all you have to do is to go here directly to your settings area and go here to your screen time. It's actually on the fourth section. You'll see notifications, sounds, and haptics, focus, and of course the screen time there. Tap on screen time. So here on screen time, you'll see your daily average, right? Now, since you want to see how many hours you've been on your phone for today, for example, for a specific day, then what you can do is here on your daily average, here you will see all activity. Tap on that and make sure that you have set it on day here. Now, the next thing that you want to do is to actually swipe here and choose the date here. It's actually if you want to look for Sunday or Sunday, July 16, or yesterday's screen times. Here you will see how many hours you've actually spent on your phone. And as you can see, I've spent 14 hours and 13 minutes for July 23. And basically that is how you see how many hours you've been on your phone. And that is all for today. If this video helped you, please give us some thumbs up and subscribe to the YouTube channel for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.